In this video, I'm going to show you how to create animated videos using Canva for free. The process of creating animated videos usually might be very tiring and even costs a lot. But in Canva, you can create such a video for absolutely free. So first of all, let's open up a web browser of our choice and simply search for canva.com. This is the official website for Canva and you should always open this instead of opening the fake ones. Once you're in the website, you very simply have to log into your account. But if you don't have an account, you can very easily create an account by using your Google account. So once you're logged in, you will be redirected to this interface. Now, I will show you how to turn static designs into dynamic designs that will surely never require experience at all. Whether you want to create content for social media or create ads or promotions, these animated videos will surely prove useful to you in all ways. Canva in general is an amazing application based software. With limitless possibilities, you can do whatever you want in literal sense. Whether it's creating formal documents, creating AI videos, or even doing coding, Canva can do it all. All such guides and tutorial videos are available on our channel, so you can check that out as well. So jumping on the main interface, you will see a bunch of options. But for now, you will have to click on the option that says video. Once you click on video, a menu will pop up in front of you. So from this menu, you have to select the resolution in which you want to create your animated video. So I will recommend you to use the video landscape option, which is 1920 into 1080 pixels, or the YouTube video landscape. Both of these are pretty much the same, so we will simply use the 1920 into 1080 pixels, the YouTube video one. So you have to click on it and you will be redirected to an entirely new interface. Now on this interface, what you will see initially is a blank white sheet on which you will be able to create your video and a timeline. So first, on this blank space, you will have to locate the elements option which is present in your menu. So you have to click on it. Once you click on it, you will have to select the background image that you wish to use in your animated video. As for the theme I am creating, I will be animating a moving plane on a sky background, which will be easy to understand for all of you. So on my elements, I will simply search for sky background. Once you search for it, you have to make sure that you select the graphics option, as having graphics as a background will surely enhance your video. So once you're done, you will see all kinds of results which are present on your Canva application. Over here, as you can see, most of these results are included in the Pro version. If you want to upgrade to the Pro version, you will very simply have to click on Try Pro for 30 days. Then a menu will pop up in front of you. From here you can see that you can try Canva Pro for $0 for a whole month. This whole month will be a free trial for you to check and use the Canva Pro. In Canva Pro, you will get approximately 100 million plus premium photos, videos and elements. On top of that, you will get 3000 plus premium fonts, 610,000 plus premium templates, and to add cherry on top, you will get 1 terabyte of storage. So you can simply click on try now for $0 and you will be able to subscribe to Canva Pro. After a month, the real price of Canva Pro will be charged according to the application rates which are set. So back to the video creation, we were selecting a background. So from all of these backgrounds, I think that this one is the best. So I will simply click on it. Once you click on it, the background will be added into your blank sheet. So now you very simply have to adjust it as much as you want. So I will simply make sure that the clouds are visible along with the grass. Now as you can see, I have placed the image perfectly on my blank sheet. So now I will move ahead and add a plane on my video. So for that, you very simply have to search for plane and you will see results of all kinds. So I will simply select the plane option which is visible, and now again go to the graphics sections, as I have already told you that you should use these in such kind of videos. So now again, I am seeing a couple of pro images, but there are free images as well. So I will be using this one and I will click on it now. Once you will click on it, that plain image will appear on your screen. It can be any kind of picture that you want to use. It can be a person, a cat, a dog, or any other kind of thing that you will search from the element search bar. But for now, let's use the plane. So I will simply drag this plane to the side and decrease its size to make it ideal for my video. Now I want to place the plane right over here. Let's click on the play button and see what we have created. As you guys can see that the plane is not moving at all. So let's move on to the main part of this video, which is to add animation on this plane to create an animation like aspect. So first you will have to click on the plane itself. Then a menu will appear on top. From the menu you have to click on animate. Once you click on animate, it will show you all kinds of animation that you can use on this plane or any kind of image that you have added from your elements. But I will recommend you to use a custom animation for your image. So I will simply click on it. Once you click on it, you will be able to see the tips which says that you should hold the shift button while dragging your image to create a straight line. So I will simply do that and hold the shift button on my keyboard, then drag the plane in a straight line where I want to animate it. So I will be animating it until the end. So once you're done, you have to very simply release the shift button and your mouse. So as you guys can see that the animation was easily added on my video. But it's obvious that the animation is not smooth at all. But don't you guys worry, I have the best solution for this. So you have to come to the movement styles, then select the option that says original. A menu will appear and you have to select the option that says steady. Now it is very smooth and is probably moving at 60 frames per second. So if you guys want to know how the smooth animation feels like, it is also a very rough one, but I will simply show you that. So let's click on smooth, and now as you guys can see, it is not really smooth as compared to the steady one. So I will recommend you to use the steady animation preset. Now I will simply go back and let's extend the video's length a bit and click on play. Now as you guys can see, I have easily added an animation on my plane. You can follow this exact method to add an animation on literally anything that you wish to use from the element section. Additionally, I will show you a cool transition and a way to focus on your plane. So to do that, what you will have to do is that right click on your video which is present in the timeline. Then you will see an option that says duplicate page. You will click on it and an exact copy of your timeline's page will appear on your timeline. So what you will have to do is that you have to click on your background image, then zoom in a lot, because if you want to create a zoomed in kind of animation, you will have to do that. But also make sure that you select your plane and also increase its size to match the overall aspects of your background. Once you're done, you very simply have to try to play the video again and let's see the results. Now as you can see, the plane is moving ahead, then it reaches the end at around this point. So I will remove the length of that video until this point. So it will create a smooth transition into the next clip. Let's again try to play it now and let's see what it does. The plane reaches the end, then a new scene appears in front of us. So now what you will have to do additionally is to come to this center point between your videos and click on add transition. Now you have to click on match and move, which will create a very smooth transition effect between both of our clips. Once you're done, you have to make sure that you increase the duration settings to the maximum. For longer videos, you can even select 4 or 5 seconds, but in this case, I will simply select a video length which is approximately 2 seconds. Once you're done, go back and let's try to play the video again. Now the plane is still moving and the animation is very smooth. Now you will see that it has transitioned into the next page very smoothly. So everyone, this is how you can create an animated video on Canva for free. That's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.